Welcome to Meditation Music Mind channel. In this guided meditation session, we are going to learn Law of Attraction to manifest height. We will start with most powerful quote in Law of Attraction world, and that is, you get what you believe. This is also true when you are going to manifest your height to grow taller using this law of attraction method. In this video, you will learn very simple mindset techniques to grow taller using law of attraction as soon as possible. Let's start. You can manifest your height with law of attraction. It is possible to grow taller at any point of time, at any age. You just need to break your previous rules set by your society that you cannot grow taller after a certain age. Believe that it is absolutely false statement. Remember, your mind is powerful and you are receiving power from this universe. Your body is energy and you are receiving this energy from universe. Universe is your part and you are part of universe. You can change your body and your appearance by manifesting law of attraction. Remember, you are creator. You are creator of your own life. You are creator of your desire. You are creator of your thoughts. Your current desire is growing tall. By applying your energy into current direction, you can increase your height. Now, let's start to manifest what you want. Your instant desire is manifest your height. Keep in mind, you need to grow taller. Growing taller is consistent thought in your mind and you cannot avoid that. Always remember, you will always get what you ask for. As you are thinking to grow taller, your thoughts are communicating with universe. To increase your height, you are generating powerful thoughts in your mind. Your body is literally vibrating with these thoughts. You are asking universe to grow you taller by your thoughts. Now, belief is the next important step in law of attraction world. Once you know What is your desire? You are firm on your desire. This desire came from your deeper mind. You really want to grow taller from bottom of your heart. You have belief in your mind that you are already feeling tall. Your height is already increased. You have faith on truth, and this truth is created by you. It is there in invisible form. You are able to visualize your height. If you want to increase your height for a specific measure, keep focusing on your height measure. If someone will ask you your height, then tell them your desired height. Inform your height to yourself on daily basis. Keep in mind what is your desired height. What is the measure of your desired height? You can take actions in present moment to complete your desire. As you already aware that your desire is fulfilled by universe, you can shop for bigger or taller clothes. You can create space in your wardrobe for your new longer clothes. If you are using adjustable chair in your office, then maybe you have to increase height of your chair. You can increase height of your bed. By doing all these things, your belief will get stronger that your height is already increased. It is there in invisible form inside you. You have a belief that universe is giving what you want. Universe is planning all circumstances to fulfill your desire. Your wish is on command. Your desire is on the way. Feel the joy and happiness right now as you have already become taller. Be happy always. Once you will start become happy all the time, your emotions will generate positive vibrations in your body. This is great way that you are easily able to communicate with universe. You are source of energy. Once one energy start to communicate with another powerful energy, there will be vibration. Feel this movement. Feel like you are already tall. Your mindset is clear, and that is the reason you are sure that what you ask for is already delivered to you in invisible form. Your desire is on command and it is on the way, so you can see it in reality. Always remember, your thoughts have a power to communicate with universe. Once you ask for something with your thoughts, it automatically gets delivered to universe. Once you have belief on your thoughts, your desire will get fulfilled in short span of time. Just imagine that your desire is already fulfilled and you are a happy person now. We can manifest many things in this life with law of attraction and power of universe. And growing tall or increasing height is just a smaller part of manifestation and law of attraction. If you will keep in mind, manifesting height is smaller thing in comparison of what you have manifested so far, then your belief will go stronger and stronger. By this belief, you can manifest anything in your life. This time, you need to remember, you are totally blessed with extremely powerful universe, and you are receiving direct energy or power from universe using law of attraction by your thought process and mindset. Whatever your desire will be, it will get come true by this law of attraction. And growing taller is one of smallest part in this law of attraction manifestation process. Once we ask universe, give us more than what we want. It is just matter of belief and faith and trust that you showcase towards universe, and in result, law of attraction will help you to manifest everything, and growing tall is part of it. As we are part of universe, to be abundant is our birthright. To get what we ask for is our birthright. Once you start keeping belief on these things strongly, you will find change in your life. A positive change. Whatever you will manifest will come in reality in front of you with large numbers. Abundance is available for all of us. It is power of universe. We just need to understand how we can utilize it with law of attraction, with positive mindset and belief. Have a good day.